Product show. Two wiring methods. Method 1, neutral and fire line. Method 2, no neutral line. Multi-commutator substation. Must be have neutral wire. Showtime. Timer, schedule. Countdown. Use it with a 433 RF remote control.
Pair. Long press pair button until the light flashes once. Then press the wireless switch twice.
Showtime. Soft lighting. It won't disturb the child's rest. Let you find it accurately in the dark.
Harry. Open the smart light. Add device. Long press the button until the Wi-Fi icon flashes. Then start pairing.
Alexa, turn on living room light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on living room light 2.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off all living room lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on all living room lights after 9 seconds.
Okay.